Hello all, Ajin 335 here, and welcome to this little tutorial thing here. Making this for Husky. Go check him out below. Should have him linked there. And also, this is being recorded the old-fashioned way for reasons. And I'm going to show you my process for Gacha. I use Filmora for free. First of all, do not hit export, otherwise the watermark will be there. So what I do instead is I use screen recorder. In this case, debut. Which obviously you see at the end of my Gacha vids. Closest thing I have to an outro at this point. But seriously. As you can see here, it's one of those trial free things. I'm trying to record after the trial's expired. It says this. Don't worry, there is a way around this. You go into, I should move more out of the way here. Go into, hopefully you're using Windows or something. If you are, then it's Registry Editor. And up here, see the folders that lead to it. And then up here, what you want to do is click on everything but default, and then deleted. In the words of Strong Bad. Okay. Out of that, back to debut. And it should work now. Yep, there it goes. You have to find it on the bottom and then stop that every time you want to record something. You don't even have to pay a penny for this. Nope, this is the budget style, whatever you want to call this. Oh, and before you start recording, make sure this video is at the very beginning. For the purpose of this tutorial, it's not coming out very clearly, but this is why I don't do this. For the purpose of this, I'm just using the very beginning of my movie, Boy Can Fly. Story of Andrew Grayson. Okay. So here's what I do. Screen record, and then as fast as you can. Oh, and I screwed it up. Okay, let's try this again. Hit record. And as quickly as you can, hit the full screen button, wait till it's completely gone, and then... Aha, there you go. Just let this play out for a minute. Sequel's still in the works, by the way, so... Yep. Don't know when it'll be out yet. Probably in either May or June, probably. Yeah. Okay, you get the point. And then as quickly as you can, just turn it off. Yeah, just screen record whatever your project is, basically. Unfortunately, you can't really do anything about the exiting full screen and turning off debut at the end, but... Hell, that can even be part of your outro if you choose to make it that way, but... I hope this helps, and... If you have any questions, let me know, and... Agent 335 out, see you in whatever I make next. Goodbye.